Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by measuring and cutting a 3/4 PVC pipe to 12. This length yields a soprano range and is easy to finger. Once cut, mark tone hole centers starting 2 from the mouth, then space 6 holes about 1 apart. Spacing affects pitch and fingering. You should sand each cut and chamfer the mouth end so airflow is smooth. This reduces turbulence, which would make notes breathy. Make sure to wear eye protection while cutting and to secure the pipe in a clamp. You drill pilot holes at your marks, using a small bit first so you can refine placement. This prevents cracking and preserves alignment. Then enlarge each hole in stages, moving from 1/8 to a final 3/8 bit as needed. Larger holes raise pitch and increase volume. Once drilled, deburr and round the edges so the airstream remains stable. A sharp rim changes tone. After each enlargement, play the instrument, covering other holes to confirm pitch, and adjust the hole size slowly to fine-tune. You finish by making a fipple or windway. Insert a 45 degrees plugged mouthpiece or form a plastic tongue to focus air. This controls tone and articulation. Once assembled, seal any joints with silicone to make the tube airtight because leaks kill resonance. Play scales to check octaves and tuning. If notes are flat, enlarge holes downstream slightly, and if buzzing occurs, smooth and round rims. If a hole won't change pitch, recheck spacing or consider adding a small patch to alter effective length.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.